Yes, sir. Austin and Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. Just wanted to take a quick minute and show you this Chrysler 300 you'd expressed some interest in. Really clean car. Didn't see any dings or dents on it. I know it's kind of hard to tell on this side with the shade. No rash on the back bumper of any kind. There's a little bit of that peeling right there. Interior's in good shape. Back seats are good. Usually you see some rock chips up front, but really don't see much of anything. No rock chips where you normally see them. Nice little car. Hope this provides a little bit of clarity, my friend. We'd love to have your business.